Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Arayat, Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, we will visit itong bagong open na aesthetic shop dito sa May Angeles City.
Sa video din na to, mawiwitness natin ang opening, and blessing, and at the same time, syempre, susubukan natin yung kanilang mga services.
Yes, to know more about it, kung ano mga services naman pinagawa natin, let's go!
I'm Dr. Kristeline Sales-Medel, a graduate of Doctor of Medicine from the Pamantasan of Lungsod ng Maynila and a fellow of Aesthetic Medicine Institute.
So basically, yung akin ay meron ako mga konting sunspot sa mukha. Yun yung nagiging concern ko ngayon. So later, magkakaroon tayo ng treatment when it comes to ano natin, sa face natin. And tingnan natin ang gagawin nila. I'm excited on it.
You ready?
Oh, syempre.
This ganda. Oo. Actually, ganun kaganda na may confident ka coming from a doctor.
Yeah, oh, yeah. Compared dun sa ikaw ang mag-decide for
Correct.
yourself.
So doubtful ka pa.
So, mas maganda si Doc ang
Suggest.
assess muna tapos suggest.
Ito po yung carbon laser fill po. Iba po yung tip niya.
Yung in-apply natin, parang yun yung...
Carbon po. 42.
Oh my goodness. So, syempre guys, no, tatrabaho natin dahil puro food, puro getaway, mga ganyan, hindi natin maiiwasan na talagang lumaki yung tiyan natin. So, dito sa Kineza, isa sa mga services nila is non-invasive na pampalit ang tiyan. So, susubukan natin yan. I'm excited!
Kasi ang una ko napansin, nag-lighten yung mukha ko. Yan. Ang ganda talaga nung nagpapaalaga. So, i-encourage ko lahat ng mga women and lahat na, even yung mga men, yan. So, punta kayo dito sa Kineza, yan. Tapos less invasive pa siya. Hindi ako, mahina ako sa pain, pero nakayanan ko,
Tita, bisita. O, yun, Ma'am, plug me pa mo yung kaya mo, syempre.
Ay, follow niyo po yung Mommy Lovely Bakes. Thank you, Arayat, Pampanga.
Nice. Nice to see you here.
Thank you po.
Napakasarap ng carbon. Even na may konting sakit, pero at least yung after effect niya, talagang good na good. Ayan.
We have two kinds of drip. We have Kamari drip. Yung Kamari drip is slimming plus whitening. And the other one is Shirobi drip. Shirobi drip is high-dose whitening, high-dose gluta content. So they are sourced from Japan and they are Japan FDA approved.
Nabawasan ng
Hello everyone! So for today, what we're going to do is some skin resurfacing treatment for acne scars. We're using a fractional CO2 laser. So this machine could also perform procedures such as vaginal tightening, warts removal, skin tag removal, mole removal, among others. So apart from these, we have also doctor's procedure. Ang doctor's procedures po natin is thread lifting for the face, facelift, nose lift. We also have fillers. For the fillers, we have hyaluronic acid fillers, plus the latest technology with fillers, which is the Ultra-Col, which is liquid threads. Hi everyone! We would like to invite you to come and visit us here at Kineza Aesthetic and Wellness Center. We offer a wide variety of services, including dermal fillers, thread lifting, Botox injections, sclerotherapy, mesotherapy, skin tightening, laser services, facial services, hair removal, glutathione, slimming, and body contouring services as well. We're located in Stall 9, Harrison Building, SR Beam Corner Arayat Street, Diamond Subdivision, Bldg, Angeles City. You could visit our Facebook page, Kineza by Chris, or Kineza Aesthetic and Wellness Center to know more about our promos and services. See you here!